Hi, today we're going to learn how to make poinsettia, the Christmas flower. For making poinsettia, you require green crepe paper for leaves, red crepe paper for the flower, green floral tape, a thick wire, thin wires, flexible ones, and glue. Cut out stencils according to the instructions given. All the measurements are in centimeter. Cut out two petal sizes. One is slightly bigger and the other is slightly smaller. Cut out 6 pieces of each. Then this is a leaf pattern. Cut out 2 or 3 depending however you want to put. And this is for the actual flower, the bud. Cut out 8 pieces of this. After you've cut all the petals, take a petal and apply glue in the center. Till the stem, and then stick a thin wire on it. Press it so that it sticks. After the wire has stuck, apply glue on the stem also, and wind the stem around the wire like this. Wind it tightly. Like this. Now strip off the excess wire, leaving a little extra. Now take a pair of scissors, turn the petal over and just core alongside the wire on the right side like this. And then draw the veins on the side also with the scissors. Do like this on all the petals and all the leaves. If you want, you can highlight the midrib with a sparkle pen. It will just sort of add a little bit of shine to it, but this is optional. This is entirely up to you. Like this. So you'll just add a little bit of shine, a little glitter to the leaf. And this is your petal. Now we are going to crimp the edges. So what you do is you hold the petal like this and pull the paper in opposite directions gently so that it doesn't tear, and similarly on the other side, the lower half also. So you have a crumpled up edge like this. Then push the paper in the center of the petal also like this, and your petal is ready. For the leaf, first take a thin wire and a little thin strip of red crepe paper. Stretch it and then apply some glue on it. Now wind this strip around the wire, one side of the wire, like that, like this. Now apply some glue in the center of the leaf on the back. And stick this wire with the red side outside, like this, like that. Hold it till the wire sticks. After the glue has dried, flip the leaf over and with the blunt edge of the scissors score in the same pattern as you did for the settle. The same way we draw the veins on the leaf as well, and then if you want you can put golden glitter in the center rib of the leaf. Again, that is optional. If you don't want to, you don't need to. But since I have done it, so I'll do it on this also. This adds a bit of festive look to the leaf. If you want, you can also add glitter on the edge of the leaf by putting some glue and then dipping it into the glitter. Crimp the leaf in the same manner as the petal. So you start from the edge and pull the paper gently. So you have a rippled effect like this. Same way here and at the bottom also. And then you can push the leaf up in the center and down at some other point like that. So this is your leaf. For making the bud or the actual flower of poinsettia, you take the green square pieces that you cut, stretch it, and then these are all the paper that you cut out the petals from, the red paper. These are all the leftovers from there. So I just snipped few pieces, 8 pieces out of it in any shape, and then you just crumple it up in a ball, a small little ball like this. Place this ball in the center of the green paper. Close it like this. Shape it in a proper shape. And then tie the ends with a thin wire tightly like that. Twist the ends of the wire. You have a small bud like this. Now what we do is take a pair of scissors and just snip off the top, a little bit of the top of the bud. Like that. Press it open like this, and this is what it will look like. A little flower. Do this with all the 8 flowers. Now take the bud that we've made and apply some glue at the base below the wire like that, and then take a bit of the tape, the green floral tape, snip off a bit, stretch it, and then wind it around the base, covering the wire. Take it down till the end of the wire, like that. Do this for all the buds. Now you take the thick wire and then on the top of the wire, one side of the wire, put all the buds together, all the flowers that we made, the buds actually, put them together like this, and then tie the base with wire. So tie them tightly with wire like this, and then twist the ends of the wire and pull it down. After we've tied with wire, now take a bit of the green floral tape, cut off a bit and wind this around the base of the buds. First apply some glue, and then just wind it round like that. Now we're going to take the put the petals, the bracts. So you take one and you bend the tip of the petal and then put it underneath the, just tie it underneath the bract like this. Now you take the petal, put it like this, hold the wire and tie it around the petal once, then take the second petal, put it again like this and then tie it. Similarly, put all the 6 smaller petals around the bud. After we've tied all the petals, the wire is still there, so now we'll start putting the bigger petals. So again, you start with the bigger petal, put it like this underneath the smaller ones and then rotate the, pull the wire around once and go on putting the rest of the petals. After we've tied all the big petals also, this is how it's going to look. Now with the same wire, we're going to attach the leaves at the base of the flower. So take the leaf, position it and then just wind the wire round like this and put the other leaf also. After putting the leaves, just twist the wire like this and snip off the excess. Now just cover the base of the flower with a green tape. This is how the flower will look. Now just shape the petals a bit, bend them outwards a bit and your poinsettia is ready.